Make a great choice today with the 2024 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.